In this video, I'll show you how to install Bankful on your Wix store. Once your gateway is configured, you'll receive an email from our support team with your integration instructions. To get started, head to your Wix dashboard. From the sidebar menu, click Settings. Then select Accept Payments. At the bottom of the page, click See More Payment Options. Scroll down until you see Bankful, then click the blue Connect button. On the next screen, enter your Bankful username and password and click Connect. Once your credentials are verified, you'll see a pop-up window. From there, click Connect Credit Debit Cards with Wix. If you ever need to manage the plugin, scroll to the bottom of the Accept Payments screen. Find Bankful and click Manage. Here you can update your credentials or toggle on Bankful's native integration, hosted integration or crypto, depending on the processing options you have enabled. If you need to remove or reinstall the plugin, click Disconnect Bankful, then confirm by clicking the red Disconnect button in the pop-up window. That's it. You're now ready to begin accepting payments with Bankful.